Hello, I'm Mark Porter, Product Manager with PDQ Manufacturing. You know, when you're the industry leader in any market, you're bound to get challenges from competitors and those wanting what you have. We've heard the rumors, we've listened to the talk, and we're here to set the record straight. No one offers the combination of lightning-fast speed and throughput combined with revenue-generating features like PDQ Manufacturing. When speed matters, PDQ LaserWash has multiple options to get you in and out of the wash bay at the fastest times possible. From our 2-minute express wash to our deluxe wash packages, PDQ has it all. Just switch to one of our infinite number of wash packages available and watch the profits roll in.